So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Gaurav this side again, and here we go. So guys, as you already checked the title that this video is related to Outlook search is not working in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and you have checked multiple videos in which multiple troubleshooting you have tried and still you are not getting the issues right. So so see, troubleshooting will help you if any problem is related to your application, your OS. But if this is a bug, then what you can do, right? Because I have checked multiple threads from 2021 to 2025. I have checked multiple threads which is posted on answers.microsoft.com, the tech community of Microsoft. But everyone is saying that they have tried multiple of things, but still it is not resolved. So what I it is basically on my own experience that if it is a bug of Windows 11, because in Windows 10 we don't get any type of issues like this, right? If you are getting any issues in Windows 10, I will provide you the troubleshooting the solutions, or you can check different videos in which troubleshooting will help you to resolve this type of issue, right? And we are seeing this error in every protocol, just like pop accounts and IMAP accounts and Microsoft Exchange accounts. But troubleshooting will resolve issue for a temporary basis only, not for the permanent basis. Okay, I have the troubleshooting which solve this issue, but not for the permanent basis. Okay, it will be solved for a temporary basis after few weeks or few months. Maximum after 2 months you will get the issue again. Okay, because window indexing is getting paused while indexing the Outlook application, only the Outlook application. If you search anything in C drive, D drive, you will get the answers, but in the Outlook you can check in the indexing options. Okay, I will take you on my screen, okay, to show you the better one and to show you the live that what we need to do and what the troubleshootings are there, right? And if you are getting any issues, then what you need to do I will show you on my screen. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so right now you are on my screen. So first, if the searching is not working, then you just need to search this indexing options. Okay, just open it and check that if this item countings are increasing or not. Okay, see in my screen it is increasing, right? 86 to 87 and 378. So you just need to wait. Okay, if the searching will be completed or not. Okay, if it is not increasing, okay, if you are getting an error just like the indexing is paused and something like that, okay, that indexing is paused due to this error. So what you need to do, you just need to go in advanced, okay, and just rebuild the settings. Okay, just click on rebuild and again it will rebuild the indexing. Okay, so what this is the first troubleshooting you can try in your system. Okay, in Windows 11 it will show that indexing got paused. Okay, and when you are rebuilding it again, then again it will got paused. Okay, after some items, just like either the 0 items or in the 2 or 3 items it will got paused. Okay, okay, so what we need to do, we just need to open the Outlook. Okay, and see, I am using Windows 10, so right now my search is working fine. I did a multiple troubleshooting, but now it is resolved, right, in Windows 10. In Windows 11 you just need to follow few troubleshooting. Okay, first troubleshooting is this, just like the indexing option. So see, this is that today I got the mail from Prime Video, and yeah, it is coming under the search, right? So yeah, in my case the search is working. So see what you can do, the second troubleshooting, you just need to go in file options. Okay, here you just need to click on search indexing options. In indexing option, see this the indexing options will again come. Okay, so go in the modify option. Okay, and yeah, just uncheck this Outlook. Okay, just uncheck this one. Okay, and just click on OK. So yeah, this is the option where what you can try. Okay, after unchecking this, this will remove the Outlook from this list. Okay, and then you just need to reopen the Outlook and check. Okay, if the search is working. Mainly this troubleshooting will work in the pop accounts. Okay, if you are using the pop account, then this troubleshooting will work to uncheck the Outlook. Okay, you can directly select the indexing option here and you can uncheck the Outlook directly from here also. In the Outlook I will get this option also. So this will resolve this issue. Okay, third option, what you can try, because see, sometimes if this problem recently comes, then you can run the troubleshooter of Windows, just like the indexing one. Okay, so you just need to click on, or you just need to search troubleshoot settings. Okay, just open it, go in other or additional troubleshoot, you will get this option. Here you will get an option that indexing, search and indexing. So you just need to run this troubleshoot. Okay, this will take 2 or 3 minutes just to check. So you can try this option also. Okay, this search and indexing troubleshoot. If this option will not work, okay, because I know that these options will not work in Windows 11. It will work in Windows 10, okay. You can try this option and yeah, it will be resolved. Also in Windows 10, what you can try, you just need to re-add the account, okay. Just like go in the control panel. Okay, I think I searched it wrong. Yeah, the control panel. Go in users, go in mail. Okay, here you can re-add the same account. Okay? If you are using the IMAP or POP, so just re-add the account, and yeah, from there you will just need to just wait for the all mail got sync, and after that you just need to check for the IMAP. If the issue is not resolved, then you just need to do this troubleshooting in Windows 11, okay, not in Windows 10. In Windows 10 it will be resolved, okay, but for Windows 11 you just need to go do the in place update. In the threads you will find that option also, the in place update option. Okay, so you just need to search this and this will open this Windows 11, download Windows 11 page. You just need to open this, okay, create a window installation media. This is for Windows 11 only, okay, not for Windows 10. In Windows 10 it will be resolved. If you want to downgrade your Windows, okay, just like you're getting this issue and you have already done this process and still the same issue occurs after few weeks or few months, then you can try this, okay. You just need to downgrade your Windows from Windows 11 to 10, okay. And this is my own experience which I'm telling you. So just click on yes. Okay, so it will download a ISO file of Windows 11, okay. This is for Windows 11 and this is also a temporary solution. This is a resolve the issue, okay. Within 2 hours the issue will be resolved, but it will automatically occur. This is a temporary solution I'm telling you, okay. That permanent solution is to downgrade the Windows in the Windows 10, okay. So if you have lots of data in your system, if you need some time, right, to do it, then you can try this option, okay, which I'm telling you. Just run this. Okay, just run this setup and it will take some time, okay. After that you just need to click on next option, okay. Let me show you. Accept. Okay, because I see a lot of threads, just like in the description I will provide you the thread also, okay. In Windows 2021 this issue will occur and still it is not resolved, okay. You can check the comments of the users and the people who are facing these type of issues. So you just need to check that also, okay. I will do a fast forward, okay, on this process so that it will not utilize that much of time. Okay, so here we will get this ISO option. Just click on next, and it will start downloading. Okay, this ISO setup is of 5 GB. Okay, so just download it anywhere. Okay, just like in the downloads, it will automatically download it in the downloads or in any separate disk if you want. So you just need to download this one. Okay, after that, when the download has completed, okay, you just need to open it. Okay, the download you will get that and you just need to open it, and at the last option you will get a setup one, okay, the setup option. 7 options is there, so last option is of setup, so the double click on the setup, okay. And yeah, this setup process will take approx 2 hours, okay. You can wait for 2 hours and check. After the system will automatically restart and all process will done. After that please check, okay, your issue will be resolved after that, okay. But this is a temporary solution, okay. Okay, so these are the few troubleshooting which you can try. I will provide you a link in description also, okay, that what thread I am talking about, and you can read the comments of the users, okay. Also, this is a bug of Windows 11 as per my own experience, and yeah, this is a minor bug of Windows 11 which has not resolved yet, right? Because see, in Windows 11 the search will work for C drive, D drive, but not for the Outlook app, okay. In Windows 11 some users are not getting this issue, but mainly this issue will occurs when we have a lots of mail, right, in our inbox, in our web mail. So those person will can try to re-add the account, okay, and check if the issue will be resolved or not. If not, then go with this in place update option, okay, which I am telling you with the ISO option. So you can go with that option, okay. Second thing, if it is not resolved after that also, you just need to downgrade your Windows to Windows 10, okay, for a permanent solution. Windows 10 I got this issue, but with the few troubleshootings it is automatically resolved, okay, and still I am not getting these type of issues, okay. So hope for the best, and I hope Windows 11 will get some update that this issue will be resolved, okay, permanently. But in Windows 11 it will be work, okay. So yeah, hope that this will save your time and the issue will be resolved, okay, with my troubleshootings. Also, Yeah, you can provide many suggestion in the comment box. Okay, if any suggestion is there or if you're getting any separate error, then you can provide me that. I will make a video on it. Okay. Also, you can subscribe my channel. Okay, if, this will save your time or this will help you, right, to resolve the issues. Then you can just subscribe my channel. Okay, and okay, bye.